everyone, what's up guys? How are you guys doing? Alright guys, so you're welcome back to today's video. Now in today's video I'm gonna be showing you a great drink that would actually help you to prevent any heart disease, and it will literally help you to stay healthy and have your heart pumping like poof 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 poof. Okay, so this is actually very healthy. The drink is nice, it tastes great, it looks good too. I'm sure you're going to be loving it. All of the ingredients are something you can reach. They're all edible, natural, effective. Alright, so let me take you right into this video. Do not forget to give me a smash like this video, subscribe, share. Now let me take you into the video. Okay guys, so if you want an improved heart health, okay, you want your heart to pump more blood and you don't need like stones, kidney stones and blockage of tubes, guys, you need to consider this particular juice that I'm going to be showing you, using this, which is lettuce. Okay, so this is lettuce. It is just a leaf that we basically use in making salad and all of that. So what I'm going to be doing here is that I'm going to be plugging out the lettuce leaf, just a little to go round for me. Okay, so after that I would have to be cutting it, so you can actually just cut it this way. Alright, so what I'm going to be doing now is that I'm going to be setting this aside, and as I'm setting it aside I would have to clean it up by washing it. Of course, you have to wash anything you're taking into your stomach. So after washing that, I'll grab my blender and then I'll take that in. So I'm going to be blending this one after another because my blender is not big. Okay, so I'm going to be putting just a little water and then I'll blend this out. Okay, so after blending for about 20 seconds, so what you're gonna do now is that we're gonna be getting a glass and then getting a strainer and then strain this all out. So here I have my lettuce juice. Okay, so for that quality heart health, you're gonna be needing some apple cider vinegar to activate this drink and to make it very, very effective, guys. So what we're gonna do is that we're gonna be putting in 1 cup of apple cider vinegar into this. Now the apple cider vinegar that you should use should be the organic and the one that contains the mother in it. Okay, so those two things are what you should consider when using apple cider vinegar. Okay, so after that you're going to stir And then also you're equally going to be needing lemon. Now lemon contains citric acids. Now this citric acid helps so much in cleaning the heart, and it also helps equally in cleaning the kidney and liver. It helps you maintain your weight. Okay, so if you're actually taking plenty of lemon, let's say every morning, there's no way you're going to grow fat, and the way you're going to be clogged inside, so it's going to clean you up and make you really clean. So I'm going to be squeezing in half cut of this lemon into this little juice. So there I have now. I have to stir it all up. Now the very last ingredient, which is actually very important, we're needing beetroot. Now beetroot is a great ingredient that helps so much when it comes to cleaning the body. It helps to improve the heart health, and it also helps to clean the liver. Okay, so it helps so much for numerous benefits, increasing your blood count and whatnot. So beetroot is so required. Now since I have a half cut of beetroot here, I'm going to be using just this half because I'm not going to be needing too much of it. Okay, now checking fresh beetroot. Wow, this is wonderful. So what we're going to do is that I'm going to peel, cut, and also wash. So after that, I'm going to be putting it into a blender, putting a little water. Now I'll have to blend this out. Okay, so the beetroot is properly blended, and now we're equally going to be sieving it out. And it is recommended that you sieve this out. Okay, you don't need to drink this particular one with the chaff, with the fiber. Now after that is done, then we're going to be turning one into another, and this is gonna look like, it's gonna be looking like blood tonic, just like this. Wow, this is amazing. So for this particular drink, you have to take it once in a day. Anytime you want to take it, you can actually take this just once in a day, and you're gonna be good. Yeah, your heart health is going to improve, your liver is going to be working, and your kidney is going to be perfect. So go try this out. I'm sure you're going to be loving it. Really good. It's actually very healthy. All of the ingredients are natural, and they are very effective also. Okay guys, so that's it. That's how simple that is to prepare. You just take it and have your health healthy, like literally be healthy. When your heart is pumping blood very well, you would not have no problem. So you have to be healthy, prevent disease, and be happy, literally. So that's it guys. If you do love this video, do not forget to give me a smash, subscribe, and share this video for me. All right, so I'll see you again in my next video. Bye.